while my makeup was settling onto my face, I noticed I have a lot of shine where I don't want that shine. This is the step where I bake. I'm going to show you how to do that using a translucent and mineral powder. So when I bake, I don't want it to be sitting on my face too long. The longer you bake, the more bright the area is, especially if you're using a translucent powder. So I like to just bake slightly, a few seconds if I will. So I'm dipping this into the translucent, but I'm also dipping it into the mineral powder. So it's kind of like a blend of both. Because if I use just the translucent, it'll just give me a white cast, which is what I don't want. By mixing it in with the colored mineral powder, it's going to give me a neutral color to then go. So I'm very shiny around my nose, so I'm just going to take a dry wedge sponge, the classic wedge sponge, and just go here where I am just really, really shiny. I also want to put it on my chin because I do get oily there too. And the center of my forehead right here. I'm just going to go slightly on my nose here as well. I'm also going to go a little bit under the eyes right here, just a little bit. And also a little bit under here as well. Okay? So count to about 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. I'm going to brush it off now using the clean brush. So I just tap it off. And here's the last step that I do is I take a finishing powder. This is the Laura Mercier. This is Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shade number 2. And it kind of looks like this. This is very sheer. So I just take that clean brush that I used, tap off, and I'm just going over everything with this. Just lightly. So this merges everything together and makes sure that there is no, it's got a bit of candle glow in there, so it does give you a natural glow in there too. And now I'm just going to use a setting spray. My setting spray is Instant Matte from Essence. I found this fan from Mimoso. It's from a Japanese drugstore that has everything, and it's like literally a fraction of the price from anything I've ever seen in Dubai. And this is really cool because you can remove this little pad and it's got like a place where you can spray perfume. So when you, it's got 3 levels of intensity. So this is the first, this is the second, and then this is the big one. And then I kind of just do this to dry off that setting spray. And the scent of the perfume just gives you that elevated feel and look. And that's it. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.